Is this the spot? It's pretty. Sun's gonna come up here pretty quick. What's level? Everything's kind of slanted. JJ's lifted horizon. As to the question of whether there's enough light to fly and enough light to do the stitching line calibration, I would say maybe yes to fly, although I'm sure it's going to give me a warning, and almost a certain no to stitching line calibration. Supposedly the sun's supposed to be up right now. I think it is, but it's behind some clouds. Well, let's make ready and see. Whatever will be, will be. Full battery. Landing gear deployed. I don't see ants on my rooming post. Stick in the goggles. Database updated. Got it. Screen recording on. FPV mode on. Looks pretty bright. Looks like the sun's out a little bit. Before I turn the recording on, see if we can do a stitching calibration. And the mosquitoes are buzzing my ear. Okay, it didn't tell me that it was not enough light to do a stitching calibration, so let's take her off. We'll go up over here a little bit. And we'll do the C1. Insufficient exposure. Is it lighter or higher up? We'll try that. We'll try one more time. Nope, it's not going to let me, so let's go ahead and do the cancel on that. And let's turn the recording on. Find my button. Okay, so we're recording. I'm a little worried about power lines because it's kind of too dark to see them. Now I can kind of see the poles, so I'm sure we're above them. We're 190 feet above. We're above them. Look over at the sunset. Sunrise. Okay, sunrise is rising. Light is becoming brighter. I can see the wires now over there. We're just going to do some exploring. Looking around up here. In about 20 minutes, that will get brighter every second that we're up. Hopefully we'll find our sweet spot. Strong wind warning. Light altitude warning. Look at that. That's pretty good. Got a little pixelization, but the signal is full bars. Power limit reached. Please slow down. That means going 3 miles an hour. And got a strong wind warning again. Almost 900 feet up here. 900 feet from the ground, 900 feet from takeoff. Not all the way to the top of the next mountain either. Now the wind's really gusting. – 3,000 feet away from myself. A little closer to the top here, I haven't got any high wind warning for a minute. $950 feet from where I took off from. I'm about halfway depressed on the trigger because I want to see detail, not go too fast. I'm getting pretty gusty winds down here right now. These rocks are fantastic to look at. The color of the sky is pretty pleasing here. And it's not 108 degrees like it was yesterday when I flew. I'm starting to get some signal loss. I'm almost 3,400 feet away. Down a couple bars on RC and HD. I really want to try to reach all the way to this rock top over here. I'm seeing what I want to see in the goggles, that's for sure. Slight pixelization. My signal is staying steady, down a few bars, but steady. There goes a strong wind warning. Keep getting the flashing flight altitude exceeds 393 feet. Go down over the front here. (3,815 feet away from my home point. We'll kind of do a slow turn, try not to lose the signal too badly when we turn. See my home point over there. I'm going to get to where I can see where I'm going. Okay, now I'm going to do line up my view, or my controls to my view. We'll start slowly descending. We're about halfway through the battery. And we're up to full bars now on the signal. We'll go under these wires. Well, I am under these wires. Yeah. Recording stops, battery low, please change, motor's locked. Camera is on the ground. Pillows is looking up. The sun is rising. Rising and risen. I'm right below the power lines. Excellent, excellent. Let's turn everything off.